Good morning, class 9. Today we will read all these topics in Unit 2. The topics are as follows: pointing devices, mouse, mouse pointer, mouse operations, typing ergonomics. So let's start with the first topic, pointing devices. Children, instead of typing directly, some items can be selected from computer screen. Children, this can be done using mouse. Not only we can select with the help of mouse, but drawing of lines, curve and shape is also possible with such devices. Other examples of pointing devices are joystick, light pen, touchpad or trackball and touchscreen. Children, let's read about pointing device, mouse. A mouse is a pointing device used to point a particular place on the screen and select to perform one or more actions. It can be used to select menu commands, resize windows, selecting actions from screen icons, and so on. A mouse primarily comprises of three parts. You can see left button, right button, and scroll wheel. Children, by default, the mouse is configured to work for the right hand. The left-handed person can change the settings as per the needs. Children, next we have mouse pointer. The mouse pointer allows to point on the screen. The shape of the pointer changes when you move it over the text and while you are working on a web browser. Children, the shape of the mouse pointer becomes like this when you move it around the screen, particularly if it is over text. This shape can be seen when you are about to type text. Children, the shape of the mouse pointer becomes like this. While you are working on a web browser, the pointer changes to a pointing finger symbol as it moved over the page. This identifies a hyperlink. You can click the left mouse button on the hyperlink and it will take you to another page. Children, next we have mouse operations. All mouse do not have the same mechanical operation, but all of them accomplish the same task. Some of them use a tracking ball at the bottom and some of them use a type of light beam to detect the motion of mouse. Laptops are equipped with a small flat surface or sometimes with a very short stick for performing same job as mouse. The most conventional kind of mouse has 2 or 3 buttons on its top. These buttons are used for different actions. Using left button of mouse, different operations like selection, dragging, moving and pasting can be done. With the right button, we can open a context menu for an item if it is applicable. Children, let's read about some of the common mouse actions. Children, first mouse action is click or left click. Children, it is used to select an item. If you want to select some item, children, you can take the mouse pointer over the item and then press down once the left button with your index finger. The item will get selected. Children, next mouse action is double click. It is used to start a program or open a file or trigger an action. Children, next mouse action is right click. Right click is used to display a set of commands and available options. Children, next mouse action is drag and drop. It allows to select and move an item from one location to another. To move an object, position the mouse on that object. Hold down the left side of the mouse and drag the object. Children, next mouse action is scroll. This is the scroll wheel, children, on the top of the mouse. Children, we can use the scroll wheel on the mouse to move the page on the screen up or down. Next mouse action, children, is blocking. Blocking is another way of selecting text. It is used to select text that needs to be edited or formatted. To select the text, children, we can click at the beginning of the word or sentence and hold down the left button. Then drag along the text and see it being highlighted in black. At the end of the text or sentence, release the left button.